नमस्ते। ओम शुभम करोति कल्याणम आरोग्यम धन संपदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. Fire is the purest element considered across the world and religions. Discovery of the use of fire is the stepping stone of civilization. Lighting the lamp illuminates our spirit, radiates our mind, and inspires us to eradicate darkness of any form. We SVISians welcome one and all to the celebration of Pious Festival of Light. I, Oishik Chakraborty, representing Rani Lakshmibai House, wish everyone a very happy Diwali empowered by the light of the teachings of Dadaji. Let's start our celebration with the beautiful thought shared by Shafa Bhimani of Grade 3.
A very happy morning and namaste everyone. Myself Shafa Bhimani from class 30 from Rani Lakshmibai House wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Today's thought is, let us not curse the darkness, let us kindle little lights. By Dada J.P. Vaswani. I repeat my thought, let us not curse the darkness, let us kindle little lights. By Dada J.P. Vaswani. Thank you.
Thank you, Shafa. Diwali is the celebration of Lord Rama's win over evil King Ravana and Lord Krishna's victory over demon Narakasur. Let's enjoy the lively performance of the Tiny Tots.
सजा दो घर को गुलशन सा अवध में राम आए हैं सजा दो घर को गुलशन सा अवध में राम आए हैं अवध में राम आए हैं मेरे सरकार लगे कुटिया भी दुल्हन सी लगे कुटिया भी दुल्हन सी अवध में राम आए हैं सजा दो घर को गुलशन सा अवध में राम आए हैं
Performance by the pre-primary students of SVIS. Thank you all for this delightful performance. We all celebrate Diwali with much ado. Our beloved Bharat Mata is gorgeously decorated on this day. But do we all know the reason behind this beautiful festival? Now, our friend Arjun Bhairwani from grade 4 is going to deliver a speech on Diwali celebration.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arjun Bhairwani from class 4B. Today I am going to talk about Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. It is one of the biggest festivals celebrated in India. This day marks the win of good over evil. On this day, Lord Rama returned from a 14-year-long exile with his wife Sita and brother Lakshman. The residents of Kingdom Ayodhya were so pleased with his return that they lit diyas to brighten up the entire kingdom. As the win of good over evil, it is said to bring prosperity. We worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha on this day. This is a festival of 3 days. The first day is Dhanteras, on which we buy new items, especially ornaments. We burst crackers the other days. This is a festival to meet family and friends. Lots of sweets are prepared. This is a festival of joy, and hence it is my favorite festival. Thank you.
This is indeed a well-articulated speech. Thank you for sharing those words with us. We Indians cherish the rich heritage of the ancient civilizations and mythologies. We enjoy the values and teachings of it in our day-to-day life. We greet each other Jai Ram Ji Ki, Jai Shri Krishna, or Radhe Radhe. Name our sweets Mohan Bhog. To express wistfulness, we say Ram Bharose. राम राजा तो कान्हा घर का प्यारा बेटा, राधा प्रेम की मूरत तो माता सीता सम्मान की. Let's go to a journey with our colorful Bharatiyata blended with the mythology. The grades 9 to 12 are going to perform with this precious thought.
Shri Dhanalakshmi.
सुन्दरि माधवि चन्द्र सहोदरि हेममयि मुनिगणवन्दित मोक्षप्रदायिनि मञ्जुळवासिनि वेदनुते पङ्कजवासिनि देव सुपूजित सद्गुणवर्षिणि शान्तियुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि आदिलक्ष्मि जय पालय माम्. कल्मषनाशिनि कामिनि वैदिकरूपिणि वेदमये क्षीरसमुद्भव मङ्गलरूपिणि मन्त्रनिवासिनि रघुकुल रीत सदा चलिया प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए.
ख्वाबों के बीज कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है, आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है, अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है. शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ छे लावी ओ लावी.
I am spellbound after watching this musical performance. Thank you, the students who were a part of it. Dear friends, if we utter the word Diwali, what comes to your mind immediately? Yes, diyas, candles, crackers, beautiful rangoli and the fragrance of homemade sweets. The students of grade 5 and 6 are going to share their message on Diwali.
जगमग थाली सजाओ, मंगल दीप जलाओ, दिवाली रोशनी का पर्व है, इससे जगमग होता संसार है, क्योंकि सीता मैया को लेकर राम जी आए हैं।
इस दिवाली सबके आंगन हो रोशन, कहीं ना हो दुख के अंधेरे, हर तरफ हो खुशियाँ का मौसम, क्योंकि धन संपन्नता और वैभव के साथ लक्ष्मी माँ पधारी है।
सब अंधियारा छट गया, सारा जहां जगमगाया, क्योंकि यह त्योहार है खुशियों का। रोशनी का तो आओ, अपने मन के अंधेरे को मिटाकर खुशी और भाईचारे का दीप जलाए।
सुनो रे भैया, सुनो रे बहना, दिवाली त्योहार है बुराई पर अच्छाई के जीत के प्रतीक का। तो चलो इस वर्ष इस महामारी को ना होने दे, स्वयं पर हावी, हंसते मुस्कुराते फिर से दीप जलाएं और दुख दर्द मिटाकर नमस्ते से करें सबका अभिवादन। आज लक्ष्मी पूजन का त्योहार है, जगमगा रहा ये संसार है, माँ की आराधना में लीन हो जाओ, अपनी हर मनोकामना पूरी होती पाओ।
है दीप पर्व का आने वाला, सभी को मिलकर दिए जलाना, अंदर बैठे इस राक्षस रूपी कोरोना के डर को है भगाना, मिट जाएगा सारा अंधकार, फिर आएंगे खुशियां ही आकर।
तो आओ हम सब कुछ नया करें, भारत की वैदिक संस्कृति को अपनाएं, दूरियां बनाकर हाथ जोड़कर ही खुशियां मनाएं। शुभ दिवाली, सुरक्षित दिवाली।
Thank you all for those wise words. Our celebration must spread happiness, not pollution. We must stop buying crackers, as these not only create pollution but also small children work in cracker factories face health hazards. This Diwali, we the family of SBIS must celebrate safe and healthy Diwali. We request our revered Dr. Sir to share a few words of wisdom on this pious occasion.
My dear friends, my dear children, we are in a festive mood today because we are going to celebrate Diwali, as we call it. Diwali is a festival of lights and happiness. We light up candles, we light up diyas, we do lighting at our houses. Diwali signifies the return of Bhagwan Ram, Lakshman and Sita to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. This happens year and after. But do we really recognize, do we really know what is the significance of this? Friends and my dear children, we clean our houses on Diwali. We do lighting. We open up our wardrobes and clean it. Brush aside the dust and keep back the clothes inside the wardrobes. Do we know of the wardrobes we have in our heart? That wardrobe is also full of dust. The dust of hatred, the dust of jealousy, the dust of lust, and the dust of ego. Are we not supposed to clean the wardrobe of our heart, the wrecks of our heart, to clean them of all these vices? That is true Diwali. Let us welcome Bhagwan Ram, Sita and Lakshman into our hearts. They are always residing there. The only thing we have to do is to turn back and visualize them. That is the true celebration of Diwali. Diwali is also known as Deepavali. Now see, in Diwali you get Ali, and Muslims celebrate Ramzan, that contains Ram. So this means this caste system is not valid. When Diwali contains Ali and Ramzan contains Ram, then what is the difference between human beings? Why there is so much hatred and fights after the religion? We should all unite together and we should celebrate each and every festival, be it a Hindu festival, be it a Muslim festival, without any difference of understanding between us. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. May God fulfill all your desires. May God light up your lives with prosperity, wealth and good luck. Above and all, may Diwali bring you good health. Because if a person has all the things of the world, but he doesn't have good health, of what use is money? I wish you all a very good health, wealth and prosperity this Diwali. A request to the children, see that you don't go out of the way to light up the crackers or burn the crackers. Don't hurt yourself. Keep away from the crackers. If you really ask me, I would suggest you not to light up the crackers. Because these crackers which you light up because of your enjoyment and celebration hurts so many birds, hurts so many animals. When there is an explosion of a bomb, these birds tremble and many of them lose their lives. I would request you to use simple crackers like that ground round, like that anar, what you call in Hindi, like the fulgari, because I don't know what in English we call them, sparkles. The sparkles, they are safe to do. So I request each and every one of you to refrain from lighting up dangerous and loud sound making crackers. Once again, I wish you all a very good luck, a very happy Diwali. May God light up your lives with lot of lights of love, love and love. Thank you and God bless you.
Are blessed to be the part of the SBIS family under the able guidance of Dr. Sir and our respected Principal Ma'am. Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore wisely said, "Purify my life with the purging touch of fire, make it pure like the gold that passes the test of fire, make it a lamp of your divine abode, let the flame of my song glow through the night and the day." Dadaji always teaches us to spread the light of love. So let us spread the light of love, hope, forgiveness and prosperity. Our united prayer is definitely going to defeat the gloomy phase of the pandemic and shrinking economies prevailing worldwide. What a mesmerizing performance! This performance spread the feelings of togetherness, the blended aura of humanity. Every good thing comes to an end. So, at the end, I, Yoshit Chakraborty, on behalf of Rani Lakshmibai House, wish everyone purity of fire, sweetness of Diwali Laddu, and warmth of family get-together. So, a special thanks and regards to our respected Dr. Sir, worthy Kanchan Ma'am, and honored Shweta Ma'am, Arpita Ma'am, respected Shreya Ma'am, and all the loving teachers of Rani Lakshmibai House. I am signing off with the message, stay home, stay safe and enjoy your Diwali with family. Thank you.